Total Preparation Jankipuram Lucknow welcomes you all to its online program.
Friends, in this video, we will be presenting 100 one-liners for the period of 16th of April till 30th of April 2020. Let's begin. Who has recently launched Dekho Apna Desh webinar series? The answer is Prahlad Singh Patel, the Tourism Minister. Which state has recently become the first state to use Ayurveda for COVID-19 patients? The answer is Goa. When was the World Art Day recently celebrated? It was celebrated on 15th of April. Who has recently increased the COVID-19 response package to $20 billion? The answer is Asian Development Bank. Doug Sanders, who passed away recently, was associated with which sport? The answer is golf. Which state government has recently launched the electronic version of comic textbooks? The answer is Manipur. Which state government has recently started using cobot robotics for COVID-19 patients? The answer is Jharkhand. Which day is celebrated as the Himachal Day? It is 15th of April. Which state has been recently approved by ICMR to start a pool test for coronavirus patients? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. The women cricket team of which country has qualified for the World Cup to be held in 2021 amid coronavirus and lockdown crisis all over the world? The country is India. Which organization has recently developed COVSAT kiosk to obtain samples from COVID-19 infected patients? The answer to this question is DRDO. Which country will host the Asian Boxing Championship 2020? The answer is India. Which is the most valuable company in India with a capital of rupees 7,29,050.55 crores? The answer is Reliance Industries Limited. Thereafter, it is TCS and HUL. Which organization launched the 49th phase of the quarterly abacus of the manufacturing sector for the period of January-March 2020? The answer is Reserve Bank of India. According to the Gartner 2019 Digital Workplace Survey, which is the most digitally accomplished country in the world? The answer is India. Thereafter, it is Great Britain and USA. On 15th of April 2020, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has announced the use of which network to fight the COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is National Polio Surveillance Network. Which institute has developed the Sahyog mobile application to collect specific geospatial information related to COVID-19? The answer is Survey of India. Which institute has developed the Pusa Decontamination and Sanitizing Tunnel? The answer is ICAR, which is Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. What is the target of food production set by the Union Agriculture Ministry for the crop year 2020-21? It is 29.83 million tons. Who has been given the additional charge of Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited (MTNL)? The answer is P.K. Purwar, President of BSNL. Which institute has collaborated with All India Football Federation (AIFF) to start an online training program from 20th of April? The answer is Sports Authority of India. What is the name of the mascot announced for the 4th Asian Para Games to be held in Guangzhou, China from October 9th in 2022? The answer is Fei Fei. Which bank has launched a digital banking platform named DigiGen where customers can digitally open savings account and fixed deposits instantly, anytime, anywhere? The answer is Jan Small Finance Bank. Which company has partnered with ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited and Go Digit General Insurance to launch 2 health insurance policies? The answer is Flipkart Private Limited. Which company has partnered with US-based company Flugen and University of Wisconsin-Madison to develop a vaccine called Coroflu against COVID-19? The answer is Bharat Biotech. Which ministry has launched a week-long Bharat Padhe Online campaign to improve online education system in India? The answer is Ministry of Human Resource Development. Which player of the Indian cricket team has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Cricket Academy in Dubai? The answer is Rohit Sharma. Which global organization has stated that Asia's economic growth rate could be zero this year due to coronavirus pandemic? The answer is IMF. Which day is celebrated as the World Hemophilia Day? 17th of April. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das has recently announced a cut in the reverse repo rate by what percentage? The answer is 0.25%. In which country has President Moon Jae-in won the recent parliamentary elections in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic? The answer is South Korea. The scientists of which state have recently claimed to have discovered the genome sequence of COVID-19 virus? It is Gujarat. Which country has recently stopped the funding of WHO? The answer is USA. Which country organizes the world-famous bicycle race tournament Tour de France that was postponed due to coronavirus pandemic? The answer is France. What percentage of India's GDP has been estimated by the IMF for financial year 2020-21? The answer is 1.9%. Who has described COVID-19 as how many times more dangerous than swine flu? The answer is 10 times. Which country has cancelled multilateral air maneuvers Pitch Black 2020 due to COVID-19? The answer is Australia. Airtel has signed a $1 billion deal with which company to increase its network capacity? The answer is Nokia. Who has been appointed as the next US envoy to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) by Donald Trump? The answer is Manisha Singh. According to the Ministry of Home Affairs, the visa of foreign nationals stranded in India was extended till which date? The answer is 30th of April. When is the Siachen Day celebrated? It is on 13th of April. Which country has approved the sale of $155 million missile torpedo to India? The answer is America. Which country ranked highest in the production and export of hydroxychloroquine? The answer is India. When is the National Safe Motherhood Day celebrated? It is on 11th of April. Which famous Indian classical singer who was awarded the Padma Shri recently passed away at the age of 87? The answer is Shanti Hiranand Chawla. Which country does former goalkeeper Peter Bonetti, known as the Cat, belong from? He died at the age of 78. The answer is England. Which day is observed as the International Human Flight Day? The answer is 12th of April. According to the World Intellectual Property Organization, which country ranked first in applying for international patents in the year 2019? The answer is China. According to the latest report of the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, with what percentage did the employment rate decrease to the lowest level in March 2020? The answer is 38.2%. Which country chaired the recently held virtual meeting of G20 countries? The answer is Saudi Arabia. How much amount under the special liquidity scheme has been announced by the RBI for the mutual fund industry? The answer is 50,000 crores. Under whose leadership has the Punjab government constituted a committee of 20 expert members to deal with the deteriorated economy due to COVID-19? The answer is Montek Singh Ahluwalia. Which country, after abolishing the punishment of whipping, has now banned the punishment of minors as well? The answer is Saudi Arabia. How many $1 billion of financial assistance has been assured by the President of the Asian Development Bank to India recently in response to COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is $2.2 billion. When is the World Intellectual Property Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 26th of April. Which country does Sana Mir belong from, who retired from international cricket recently? The answer is Pakistan. Which country has declared a high alert in its 50 tiger reserves due to COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is India. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of Economic Affairs by the central government? The answer is Tarun Bajaj. When is the World Immunization Week organized? It is organized in the last week of April. In the scheduled areas of which state has the Supreme Court cancelled 100% reservation to ST teachers in schools? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of the Ministry of Rural Development by the central government? It is Mr. Nagendra Nath Sinha. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of the Ministry of Petroleum Natural Gas by the central government? Mr. Tarun Kapoor. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of the Department of Food and Public Distribution by the central government? Mr. Sudhanshu Pandey. How long has the Union government given work extension to the Health Secretary Preeti Sudhan? The answer is 3 months. Who has been appointed by the central government as the new Secretary of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs? The answer is Mr. Rajesh Verma. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises by the central government? The answer is Mr. Arvind Kumar Sharma. Who was appointed by the President as the Central Vigilance Commissioner CVC on 25th of April 2020? The answer is Mr. Sanjay Kothari. When is the World Malaria Day celebrated? This day is celebrated on 25th of April. When is the International Delegates Day celebrated? This day is celebrated on 25th of April. Name the first military satellite launched by Iran recently. The name of the satellite is Noor. Which mutual fund company closed 6 of its credit fund schemes in India because of the COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court? The answer is Justice Dipankar Datta. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court? It is Justice Biswanath Somdar. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Orissa High Court? The answer is Justice Muhammad Rafiq. Which neighbouring country of India has the USA accused for the possibility of conducting nuclear tests in 2019? The answer is China. How long has BCCI postponed IPL 2020? The answer is indefinitely. Who led India in the second meeting of finance ministers and central bank governors of G20 countries? The answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. who has been awarded the 13th International Arab Fiction Award 2020 for the novel The Spartan Court? The answer is Algerian writer Abdelwahab Hahab Aissaoui. What percentage of salary deduction has been agreed by the members of UPSC due to COVID-19? The answer is 30%. Which country will hold the proposed 44th session of UNESCO World Heritage Committee to be held from 29th of June to 9th of July 2020, which was postponed due to COVID-19? The answer is China. What is the percentage decline in China's GDP in January-March 2020 quarter due to coronavirus? The answer is 6.8%. What is the current reverse repo rate after the RBI reduced it on 17th of April? The answer is 3.75%. The price of which crude oil went below zero for the first time in history due to COVID-19? The answer is West Texas Intermediate, which is also called WTI crude. Under which act has the central government formed 6 interministerial teams to report the status of COVID-19 and lockdown? The answer is Disaster Management Act 2005. How much amount of booster package did RBI announce in order to reduce the negative impact of the economy arising out of lockdown? The answer is rupees 1 lakh crores. When is the World Liver Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 19th of April. Which state has cancelled its famous Thrissur Puram Utsav due to COVID-19? The answer is Kerala. Who is the author of the book called Shuttling to the Top, the story of PV Sindhu? The answer is V. Krishnaswamy. Under which scheme has the Prime Minister announced for the drone mapping of village property and issuing the ownership certificate? Under Swamitwa scheme. Under which law has the central government banned the strike of employees in banks for 6 months? The answer is Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Which state celebrates Kongjam Day every year? It is the state of Manipur. Israel has entered into an agreement with which Indian software company to build its first complete digital bank? The answer is TCS. When is the National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 24th of April. Which ministry has declared banking industry as public utility service till October 21st, 2020 under ID Act 1947? The answer is Labour Ministry. Which world organization predicted $3.4 trillion debt for developing countries in 2020-21? The answer is UNCTAD. The Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Ministry has launched which mobile application to reduce disruption in agro-based supply chains? The answer is Kisan Rath. China recently announced how many $1 million additional grant for WHO? The answer is $30 million. Which state government has recently launched Chief Minister COVID-19 Yodha Kalyan Yojana? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Which organization released World Intellectual Property Index 2020? The answer is Global Innovation Policy Center. Which Indian state or union territory becomes first to have in-house facility of virtual courts? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. So friends, with this we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for being with us. We've tried to include few more important questions this time, which would be really helpful for you from the point of view of upcoming competitive exams. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our video. In order to keep getting the updates on other current affairs related topics, please press the bell icon. Thank you.